All right, Gen Chem, today we are going to use some of the things that we've learned in terms of energy, catalysts, and enzymes, reaction rates, all those kind of things that we've been discussing about to do an immersive computer simulation of a case. So when you get into Explore Learning, you're going to want to go up to this website up here, explorelearning.com. You should have already created yourself an account for the pH lab that we did earlier this year. If you haven't done an account, make sure that you look on the Canvas page that I made. It has class ad codes for each of the Gen Chem class periods. Make sure that you grab the correct class ad code for your correct period. Once you get into your Gizmos or your Explore Learning, for example, in the B5 General Chemistry class, we have both the pH analysis indicator lab that you should have done last quarter, and then we have this enzymes STEM case that we're going to do. This is what we're going to do today. So I want you to click on this enzyme lab. I'm going to click on this lab as well. And on this page, we're going to launch this lab. And I'm going to give you the high school version, which is what we want to do, because you are not an AP Bio or AP Chem. Okay? And then you're going to want to get in here, and you're going to want to do this. So you're going to want to click when you're ready to launch this, and you'll notice that we have a couple of options here. We have a handbook and we have a case. I want you to do both of them. I would want you to start with the handbook first, okay? So when you go through the handbook, there are all the different things that you will see in the handbook. The handbook will help you understand some of the ways that the things that we've been discussing in chemistry go along with this case that you will be studying. Just to give you an idea, when we get into the handbook, you're going to be able to look at chemical reactions and how they affect things, enzymes, and structures. There are going to be things that you're going to need to answer. So every time you see one of these square little boxes, it will ask you to look at different things. Any of these words that are in orange are vocabulary words, and you can click on those words and get the definition of them. Notice we have a list of definitions for this investigation right here. You can use this glossary at any time. Okay? And it will show you what's going on. You will have questions that you will have to answer. Okay? When we go to the case, it will be very much the same way. You will have different things that you will be going through. We have an introduction, and that will tell us exactly what we're doing. Okay, and then we can go on from there to our next thing. It will tell you exactly what's going on with this poor dog, and it will give us some ideas of what's going on with her patient history. And you'll go through step by step. You can work in groups if you'd like to and get ideas off of each other. But make sure that you answer all the questions that come up, listen to the different dialogues that come up, and look at the data and use the things that we've learned in chemistry to help you diagnose what's going on with this Great Dane. All right? If you have any questions, please come and see me or email me. I hope you enjoy using this immersive lab experience. We'll talk to you later. Bye.